Hello and welcome back to Totals and Barbecue. Today I'm going to be doing some bacon onion rings, but I'm also going to be doing burgers to go with it, otherwise don't just want onion rings. And what I've got to do to make it, I've got large onion, some streaky bacon, 2 of them if I need it, and some 20% fat minced meat to go in between it. Right, so what we want to do is, not going to need that just yet. I'm going to get the skin off the, or the paper off the onion. And chuck that in the chimney. And take the bottom off. Right, I'm taking the paper off. No, I don't want to do these quite thick, so I may have to get the other onion out as well. Just thick enough. So then basically what we do is take them out into little rings, and that's basically how you make the rings. But we need the small ones as well to go in the middle. Oh, that one broke. Sorry, that one. Yeah, just gently get them out like that. This one don't want to come out. There we go. Go on that one. See if I can cut that. There we go. And you've got some small ones to go in the middle in. In fact, I'm going to go and get the other one. I'm going to chop that one up as well. There's the other one peeled. I'm going to get this off. Cut this really thick. There we go, and open up the rings. That's the rings ready. Open up the minced meat. I'm gonna just give it a bit of a squeeze. Season them with a bit of SPG. And you get one of these, and then find a small one to go in the middle, and then we're just going to form it on the inside. And put that in the middle. And then we get our streaky bacon. I'm just going to go on the inside. If I can pick this up without it falling apart. On the inside. It is fiddly as hell. I'm going to make that a bit smaller actually. Fold it over. And then like that. This is my first time doing this, so it's very fiddly. And just repeat the process. There you go, you've got a bacon onion ring with some minced meat in the middle. And I'm going to speed this up next so I can do this quicker. There you go. I ran out of bacon in the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 8 of them. This I'll just make a burger patty out of. These won't go to waste. These will go on sandwiches and stuff. Yeah, let's get them on the grill and give them a smoke. Right, give the grill a quick clean. And I'll stick these on. Brought in the makeshift burger that I used. And also, because there isn't enough of these to go around, we're having some normal burgers and sausages. Hence why I got both barbecues going. A little bit of wood for smoke. Lid on and have a check on it in 20 minutes. Right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's have a look. Well, 20 minutes and a couple of whiskies later. Oh, look at those. Look at that. Give them a bit quick flip and catch some of that smoke on the other side. I have to admit, these are very fiddly to make. Whoops. That's our makeshift burger. They're very fiddly to make, so if you've got the patience of a saint, then go for it. But if you haven't, don't do it, because it's a bit of a bum ache to make these onion rings, because trying to hold everything in and wrapping them with the bacon wasn't an easy feat. But looking lovely. Let's get the lid on and give it another 20 minutes. Right, it's been another 20 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, look at those. We've got some barbecue sauce to put on these. Give these a little bit of a coating, and then put the lid on again so they can get lovely and sticky. Right, stick the lid on and let them get all nice and sticky. Alright, let's have a quick look at these. Oh, look at those. Alright, let's get these off and do the taste test. Look at that. Let's cut this open. Well, you can see in there it's had the it's got a bit of a smoke ring on it from the wood. Right, let's cut a few pieces off and do a taste test. Look at that. Lovely. There you go, there it is. It's still a little bit hot, but tell you what, that was very fiddly, but that is bloody nice. Hot. I'll tell you what, that bacon is kept in all that fat. It's very nice and juicy. I'd say this is probably one of the best things I've ever made. And yeah, I saw it on Instagram and I thought I've got to give that a go and do a video on it. And I'll tell you what, give it a go. It is very fiddly and annoying to do, but it's so nice. I know it's going to be annoying to make, but you got to give this a go. Oh, look at that smoke ring in there. I can taste the smoke, the bacon. Oh. You got to give it a go. Yeah, clean plate. Well, I've got to say, even though it was a bit of an arse ache to do, give it a go. In the end, I only did a couple that had an onion ring in the middle because the hole was too small for the streaky bacon to go through. So what I did was, I did onion ring, then I put minced meat in the middle, and then I basically wrapped it in bacon after that. And I'm not missing the extra bit of onion, to tell you the truth, because that is brilliant. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing and hit that notification bell and let you know when I upload a video. And I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.